Come along with me and let's break some sheet metal. Breaking some 16 gauge stainless. So the backstop has been long gone, well before my time, so I just use reference lines to line up where my bricks go. Dimensionally, it works out pretty perfect. I draw everything up in SolidWorks. I usually have to hit it twice, especially since this has so much spring back on it. Look at this old archaic machine, but it works. I make some pretty cool stuff out of this. I'm building a high velocity hood to capture water mist. Maybe next video I'll show exactly what I'm building.